Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video you can see the latest model of Nokia. This latest model is Nokia G60. This smartphone is available in two different colors. These colors are white and black, as you are seeing on the screen. And the display of this Nokia G60 smartphone is 6.58 inch. Now we start to talk about the dimension of the smartphone. If we talk about the right hand side of the smartphone, its right side has two buttons. The down button is used to lock and unlock the screen for security purposes, and the up button is used to control the volumes of the smartphone. Next, we will see the upside of the Nokia G60. On the upside of this smartphone, a microphone is fitted to record the voice and to transmit the voice of video callings, and call receiving speakers are also fitted here on the front side. Now next we will talk about the left side of this smartphone. On the left side of this smartphone, its SIM slot is fitted. In the SIM slot we can insert only one SIM, because this smartphone is a single SIM smartphone. This smartphone is 5G supported, so you can enjoy the fastest speed of the internet through this smartphone. The rest of this side is clean, no function is placed here. As you are looking on the screen, the height of this smartphone is 8.61 mm, and the weight of this smartphone is 190 gram. Now next we see the downside of the smartphone Nokia G60. If we look the right corner of this smartphone, the loudspeakers of this smartphone are placed here with very nice sounds, and in the center a C-type charger pen is fitted with very fast speed charging, and also a microphone also placed here, and a audio jack for hand-free also placed here. So this was its downside view. Now next we will talk about its main function, that is its camera. Its front camera is 8 megapixel with very best results as compared to other brands. Through this selfie camera we can capture images and videos with best results, and cannot use flash with front camera. Now we will talk about the main camera of Nokia G60 smartphone. The main camera of Nokia G60 is 50 megapixel. We can capture images and video through this camera with very high resolution. Nokia G60 camera show very best result at dark time. You can also use its flashlight if you need. Nokia G60 has a battery with 4500 mAh power with 20-watt fast charger. If we talk about the memory of this smartphone is available in 6 GB RAM with 128 internal storage. If someone want to buy the Nokia G60, the price of this Nokia G60 smartphone is $350. So to see the more smartphone reviews, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.